Freedom Street Garage, welcome to Willow Springs International Motorsports Park. We've brought out our 717 horsepower Hellcat Challenger. We're gonna put it up against our 650 horsepower Camaro ZL1. The Hellcat off the line is intended for straight line use, and it dominates at that. However, with 717 horsepower, we want to see what it will do head-to-head with the Camaro ZL1 that's intended to be used on a racetrack. We're going to hand the keys over to professional race car driver Alex Filsinger and see what type of lap times he can lay down.
What's up, Freedom Street Garage? I'm Lindsay, this is Alex. He's gonna take me for a spin in the ZL1 at the only iconic Big Willow track, and we'll see what this thing puts down.
As we expected, the ZL1 took the win over the Hellcat, but that was to be expected. The ZL1 is Chevy's track-focused Camaro, so of course it will take the win over the Hellcat, a car that's intended to go in a straight line and do that very well. If you want to win this track-annihilating Camaro ZL1 that Chevy has dialed in from the factory to be right at home at the racetrack, Tap the link in the description, head over to freedomstreetgarage.com and pick yourself up some merch. Get entered to win this Camaro plus $10,000 cash.